Hello everyone. In this video, we'll try to identify the asymptotes of the function. Okay. So this is a function given 3 divided by x square if x equals to. What will be the asymptote of this function? Vertical asymptote. Asymptote means vertical asymptotes, horizontal asymptotes, and oblique asymptotes. Or asymptote. So what will be the asymptote of all these functions? This is our question. And as you can see here, our in the question, this is x squared. This x squared is telling us that the vertical asymptote will be x equal to 0 because there is no number with it. So if, let's say, if you have some x square, x minus 2 whole square, x plus 3 whole square, that 3 2, there is no this kind of number with this x plus or x minus, which means x equals to 0. So this will be the x equal to 0, which is our vertical asymptote. And horizontal asymptote is, see, there is, this is x square, but there is no x here. That means maybe x to the power 0 is there, and 0 is up, 2 is down. That means maximum power is downside uh, in the variable. So our horizontal asymptote will be y equal to 0. Okay, that's why y equal to 0 is the. So you will write here horizontal asymptote y equal to 0, vertical asymptote x equals to 0, oblique asymptote none. I just have shown the graph also, so just to make it clear. This one is, so x plus 2 divided by x minus 2. Now see, as you know, from this downside, from the denominator again, our this downside, our vertical asymptote will come. This is x minus 2, so our vertical asymptote will be plus 2. That's why x plus 2, at x plus 2 we have a vertical asymptote. And then this is 1 and this is 1, and the power is same, so y equal to 1 will be the horizontal asymptote. That's why y equal to 1 is the horizontal asymptote. So the answer is, let's say how you will write it. This kind of question is, there is no question like draw the graph. This is like find out which one is what is the horizontal, vertical, and oblique asymptote. So the answer to this question will be vertical asymptote x equals to 2, horizontal asymptote y equal to 1, oblique asymptote none. We should have given some oblique asymptote question here. Anyway, actually we can like give some oblique asymptote question also. If x equals to this 4 divided by x cube, 4 divided by x cube. Again, this question and this question is similar question. This one and this one. That's why you are seeing a similar graph. Actually, at 0 0 we have x intercept and y intercepts, and at the same time we have our asymptote, vertical asymptote at 0, and horizontal asymptote also 0. So x equal to 0 and y equal to 0 both for the same, for this question as like as this one. And this one is sorry, I'm sorry. So okay, what happened here? This is so much. Okay, this is another question. This is 5 number. So we were discussing this page. Sorry about that. So uh, x square plus twice x plus x square plus 1. So our horizontal asymptote will be 1. See, 1 1, because it is x square, power is same, so the horizontal asymptote will come from their coefficient, which is 1 and 1 here. So 1 divided by 1 means 1. That means y equal to 1 is the horizontal asymptote. And in this question, there is no vertical asymptote. The reason is x square plus 1. If you write x square plus 1 equal to 0, you will see then x square equal to minus 1, then x equals to plus minus square root of minus 1, which is undefined. I mean, this quantity here is becomes undefined when you try to find out the vertical asymptote. Not if you put x equal to some value. You already can see that's not the case. If you put x equals to 0, then you get 1 actually. I mean, x equals to 0, x equals to 0, 0 0 divided by 0, so you get 0 by 1 equal to 0. You get 0 actually for x equals to 0, and you can see it. That's why the y and our x and y both actually have one common intercept, which is 0 0. Then another intercept is here. Anyway, that's not the question. Question is find out the horizontal, oblique, and vertical asymptote. So there is no vertical asymptote, none. horizontal asymptote y equal to 1, and oblique asymptote none. Just to show you an oblique asymptote, let me go there in this slide. In this slide here, in this question we have some oblique asymptote. So let's look at this one. Let's look at this one. So see, x square plus 11x plus 24 divided by x plus 1. So in this question, as you can see, power is 2 here and power is 1 here. So basically more power is at in our numerator. Our denominator we have power less. That means in this question we will have some oblique asymptote, and actually this is that oblique asymptote. If you divide this by this, then you will get actually this oblique asymptote. Okay, you will get the equation of this oblique asymptote, and then you can plot it to get the graph. So oblique asymptote, if you want, oblique asymptote will come from here. Okay, then what will be the vertical asymptote from this question? Vertical asymptote will again definitely come from this one. So this is x plus 1, vertical asymptote will be x equals to minus 1. X equals to minus 1 is here, and of course this is true that we have to do some simplification before we find out the vertical asymptote from here. So sometimes we have to be careful about that. Not sometimes, always we have to be careful about that also. In this case I can see that this is 11x, so 8 and 3 is our factor. So I mean plus 8x and plus 3x, uh, x plus 8 and x plus 3 in other words will be the factor of this thing, so it will not be cancelled out, so we can directly do it from here. My point is, if you do not I mean you need to simplify it a bit to understand, like if there is something cancel out or not from this, because vertical asymptote we have to find from the simplification. That is the reason. Vertical asymptote we have to find out from the simplification. That is the reason. Yes, and that's it. So if oblique asymptote is here, we have to do it in the long division method. Then you will get the answer. All right. Thank you all. Thank you very much. Bye bye.